you've reached Insurance Filing Claims Line. How can I help you today? Okay, so you need to file a claim with us. Okay, and are you a customer with us, or were you hit by a customer with us? Okay, I would just need the policy number. A as in alpha. Okay. And could you please verify your full name for me? And were you the one driving, or were you in the vehicle? And how many other individuals were in the vehicle? And how many of them were under the age of 18 years old? Okay, and I just need the names of all of them. Yeah, go ahead. Mm-hmm. All right. And how do you spell that? Okay. And was anyone injured? So no one seeked medical attention on the scene? Mm-hmm. Follow up medical attention. Okay. For just you? All right, so now I just need you to explain to me exactly what occurred when the accident happened, okay? And I'll just be taking notes for the file. All right, go ahead. So you were at a complete stop at the red light when this occurred? Okay. And were the police called to respond? And they showed up? Mm-hmm. And what police department was it? Okay. And do you know the officer's name? No. That's okay. Do you have the police report number? Yeah, I can wait. Yeah, you got it? Go ahead. And do you have a copy of it, or will we need to contact the department to get that? Okay. If you could scan that to me, I'm going to send you an email. And let me go ahead and get your email first. I do have an email on the account, but go ahead and verify. Okay, I've just sent you an email. I just need you to respond and send that document whenever you have time. And while I have you on the phone, let's go ahead and verify your contact information. Is the number that you're calling from ending in 1123 the correct number for you? All right, and could you verify your address, please? And your zip code? All right, and since you have the police report, does it actually say that the other individual was at fault? I know that it was a rear end collision, but it just helps us to kind of ensure that the other individual's insurance company will pay if that does state that the other person was at fault. Okay, so it does. Okay, so police report. All right, so I have that in your file now. And that police report, usually at the bottom, it gives the information for the other driver. Let me just open that screen. And could you give me that information, please? Mm-hmm. And what insurance company do they have? Progressive, okay. And the claim number for that? Y, as in yellow? Okay. Mm-hmm. W, all right. Okay, got that. And have you taken your car, your vehicle, to get an estimate for damages yet? Okay, what's the body shop's name? And do you have a phone number for them? And I would need an address if you have it. All right, go ahead. And the zip code. All right, and for the estimate, what was the total damage estimate? $2,547.63. Okay. All right, and let me see something here. Did the airbags deploy in your vehicle? Okay. Any damage to the auto glass of the vehicle? No other signs that the car may be totaled. And the body shop told you it was not, correct? Okay, we always have to ask. No problem. And just to verify, you have two vehicles on the policy. Which vehicle was this? All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna place you on a brief hold. I'm gonna reach out to Progressive and contact them to verify the other individual's claim status with them. Yes, and I will let them know that you have actually already got the estimate and you have a body shop standing by to do the repairs, so we'll see how quickly we can get that scheduled for you. I can check that for you right now. I think so, though. And if not, they probably do. So yeah, we do cover a rental car for you, but it's most likely that Progressive will cover the rental car fees. However, if they do not, we have backup and we will be covering it for you. So either way, you'll be covered for rental car. Okay, I'm just going to place you on a brief hold and I'll be right back with you, okay? All right, thank you. this is Midnight. I'm calling from the auto claims department. Yes. Yeah, I'm doing well. How are you doing? Good. So I was calling, I have a client on the other line, and they were in a recent collision with your client. I've just filed the claim for us, and I'm hoping to check if the client has, your client has filed with you yet so that we can get repairs started. Yes, they are telling me that the police report states that your client was at fault for the collision, so I can definitely provide that to you if you don't already have it. Sure, it's going to be YW4892876. Yes, so I can email over the statements to you, as well as the documentation that they're going to upload to our portal. What's a good email? Alright, I've just sent that over, and they've already done the estimate. You'll see I've uploaded it there as well. And it is with a certified body shop. For us, I would need to just verify payment from you and rental car status for our client. Sure, I can hold. Yeah, thanks. You still there? Thank you for holding. So I am on the other line with Progressive right now. We're just verifying the claim information so we can try to get that repair started for you, okay? All right, I'm going to place you back on a brief hold, and I'll be back as soon as I can. Okay, thanks. Hi, yes, I'm still here. Okay. So they filed with you? Okay, and what was the number of the claim on your end? Got it. And do you need my client's information at all? Yeah, I can just, hold on, I'll give you access to that part of the portal. Okay, that's uploaded. And could you verify that you will be able to provide rental car services, please? You will? Okay, and for how long? Okay, so however long repair cost or repair takes. Great. And we'll book those through Enterprise. Does that work for you? Mm-hmm. And do you have a code for... Okay, what's the code for the rental? Mm-hmm. So you'll just need some photos. Yeah, I can get that for you. Can I just put you on hold? I have the client on the other line. I can get them to do that now. And do you have, I know usually they ask for a certain... No, just, okay, got it. All right, I'll be right back with you. Thanks. Hi, thank you for holding. Yes, so I do have Progressive on the other line and everything is verified. The other individual did file a claim with them, so that's good news. They have confirmed that you will be able to book through Enterprise. For your rental, I'm going to go ahead and give you a code. Okay, it's going to be RX6987283. So the only other thing they will need from you are photos. They'll need at least 3 photos of the rear of your vehicle where you were hit, and 1 from left ankle, 1 from right ankle, and 1 from center. That's correct. Okay, so can you do that now, do you think, or would you need more time? I just need to let them know. Okay, great. Yeah, I can hold. Go ahead, take your time, and when you have them done, just go ahead and send them to my email that you can respond to the email I sent you. Okay. Yeah, I'll hold. Thanks. Hi, thanks for holding. So I have the client going to do the photos now. Yes, so they are going to do left ankle, right ankle, and center. She'll upload those immediately. And then I will give access to those to you in the portal. Not that I'm aware of. Yeah, the police report number is 2489907. Sheriff's Department. Yeah. I didn't ask. I absolutely can. I didn't think it was necessary since we do have a police report. Did your client have any denial of the collision conditions? Okay. I can ask her, but okay. Yeah, of course she can refuse even if she has it. So I will just check with her though, okay? All right, I'm gonna place you on hold. Thanks. Hi, yes, I'm still here. Okay, you were able to upload the photos. That's wonderful. Okay, so perfect. Got that on the portal. Nope, those look great. The other company, so Progressive did request if you had dash cam footage. And please know that it is optional if you do have it to provide it, since we do have a police report as well. So, I mean, it's always optional, but no dash cam footage. Okay. All right, I'm going to place you back on a brief hold. I'm just going to get this information processed for you, okay? And then I'll be right back with you. Thank you. Hi, are you still there? So my client does not have dash cam footage, I'm sorry. So what I'm doing now is just getting the photos and that other information uploaded, and I'll be right back with you, okay? Thanks. Let's see how these look. still there? Yes, so I did get all of the photos and information provided by that client uploaded. You should be able to see them now. Okay, so I'd like to go ahead and get the claim processed for her so she could schedule her appointment for repairs. Are you okay to proceed with the given evidence? All right, perfect. And could you just attest in the portal, please? Thank you. Yeah, so it'll have a drop down and you just need to say that you accept fault for the client and 100% of damages. So, correct. They may come back with additional damages once they start the repair. Yeah. All right, give me a second. I'll go back to her. Hi, ma'am. Yes, so Progressive has accepted full coverage for the claim, which is great news. I do want to give you the options that they provided me, okay? So the first one is they will give you a payout cash amount for the full amount of the estimate, which is $2,467.63. Your other option, of course, is to take it to the body shop and they will accept any additional damages that are uncovered while the repair is ongoing. All right, so you're going to do the second option to have full repair of the vehicle, correct? Okay. So I'm going to send you a link to your phone number and just go ahead and verify whatever number that you would like it sent to. So you should get a link there in just a minute. So go ahead and click that link. It's going to bring up the options. I'm going to need you to just choose the second one. And then you can just draw your signature on the box below that. Okay, that's going to attest that you've chosen that second option, okay? So I'll go ahead and go back to Progressive now. I'll finish closing out the claim. I will probably be on hold with them for a few minutes while they get everything squared away. So please just bear with me, okay? All right, thank you. Hi, thanks so much for holding. So I have confirmed that my client would like to go ahead and directly do the repairs with the body shop. Yes, she has confirmed that in writing, and I can upload that attestation to the portal if you just give me a moment. Yes. Okay, thanks. So I want to go ahead and schedule the appointment with the body shop, and I just need to get the closeout claim from you. If we could finalize that today. Okay, great. Yeah, I can hold. Thank you. Let me just add this to the write-up. Let's see, so your claim number, police report number. Oh, I need to add progressive claim number. Yes, I'm still here. Okay, great. Mm-hmm. So everything's processed. Uh-huh. Okay. And could I have a confirmation number, please? Okay, 1 second. I just need to write it down for my paper report. All right, and have you sent the approval to the body shop? Yes, so I have full information for the body shop uploaded on the portal. It has their number, phone number, address, and the name. And then underneath that, you'll see the estimate, as you know. Mm-hmm. Okay, so just add that note. I'm pretty sure they're an approved body shop for you as well. Yeah, you can check, sure. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah. All right, great. So I'll go back to the clients and I'll give them the number, the confirmation number. And yep, I was just about to ask that. Yeah, you can send the link to me and I'll just go ahead and text it to them. Do you have a PIN number for it, or do they just use the last four of their social? Okay, great. All right. Yeah, it was a pleasure talking to you as well. Thanks so much for getting this process today really quickly. It's greatly appreciated. Yeah, you have a great day. Bye. Ma'am, thanks for holding. You're welcome. So I was able to get everything processed with Progressive, so we're all squared away. What I'm gonna do now, yes, so the body shop has been sent all of the approvals, so you're free to contact them, and if you just give your name, they'll be able to find it in their system. Yep. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna text you a link. Okay, and just please give me your phone number again. I'm sorry. All right, so I sent you a link. If you want to go ahead and click on that link, and then it's going to ask you for a PIN code. Let me know when you're there. Okay, it's going to be the last four of your social security number. You can reset it if you want to. It's up to you. All right. Now that is a portal that shows progress on everything, payout, rental, everything for your claim. I'm also going to give you a confirmation number from them that I need you to write down. Just let me know when you're ready. Okay, it's going to be GW36892275. Okay, so that's everything we're going to need today and that you should need to get everything processed. Is there anything else I can help you with? So once the repair is finalized, paid out, and you've picked up your vehicle, we'll get a confirmation code back from the body shop, and so will Progressive, and at that time we'll close out our claim and then they'll close out theirs, and then you'll see in that portal it will reflect that link I gave you. Yeah, of course. If you have any other questions, you can call back. My name is Midnight, and I can give you my extension, my direct extension. 100398. Okay, so when you dial in, it'll ask if you want to use an extension. You'll click yes, number 1 for yes, and then you'll enter the extension plus the hashtag sign. Okay? And if there's any hiccups, you just give me a call, all right? If I don't answer, I'm on the other line, and just leave a voicemail. And I'll get right back with you. Okay. It was a pleasure helping you today, and you have a wonderful day. Sorry for your hiccup with the collision, but I hope everything gets fixed. Yeah, you too. Bye-bye. Just and then sign.